So guys, here I have my goat meat, my fresh goat meat. I am going to garnish that, put I'm saying garnish. I'm going to season that and then cook it with my instant pot because it makes it cook faster, and I wouldn't waste so much time, because when you try to cook it on the normal stove it just takes some time. So cooking it here, it makes it faster for it to get ready, and then I can start making my Nigerian stew. And oh, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada. So you're cooking with Ada today, and of course I am a Nigerian living in the United States. So welcome to my channel. I don't usually do too much talking in my cooking videos, but for this I decided to talk a little bit. So I hope you guys like this, and if you don't, please leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about my talking in the video, and then if you prefer me not talking in the video and just writing them out, and also leaving all the details in the description box down below. So you'll be needing tomatoes and the red bell peppers just to make it red, of course, and to give it some kind of flavor. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my tomatoes and onions. All these I am going to blend together. And if you're new to my channel, please, you're hearing this voice for the first time and you're seeing me cook for the first time, please be sure to click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any other upload. I have amazing content on this channel. I have so many recipes, so many all the good stuff. Okay, you are going to find them here on my channel. If you are a foodie like me, then do go ahead and click that subscribe button. So this is what I am talking about. The goat meat is ready, and I am going to go ahead and take that out from the instant pot, because I will be needing the instant pot to cook my rice. So here the tomatoes and the onions and everything that I have blended, I pour them in a pot and start cooking them so the water can reduce a bit. I don't know how to put that, but I am cooking the tomatoes so it can cook. Yeah. So today, normally some people use groundnut oil, what's it called? Yeah, groundnut oil, like the vegetable oil, to cook their stew. But then me, I just like using palm oil to cook mine. That's just preference. You can use whichever one that you want to use. Okay. So I am just showing you guys some of the things I'll be using. I have my seasoning right here. I have turmeric, you know you can also use curry powder and just whatever you have. I am a lover of onions, so I just have so much onions in there. So what I do is I cook my oil, and more like trying to, what's it called, like bleach the oil. Yeah, that's the word. More like trying to bleach the oil, and then after that I pour in my onion, and then I let my oil cook a little bit. After your oil cooks, you're going to add in your tomatoes that you already cooked your tomatoes separately, so you're going to add that and let that cook as well. So you make sure to keep turning it so it doesn't burn. So I keep on turning that so my stew doesn't burn. And when it's at this stage, I start adding all my seasonings. I add in my turmeric, I add in my knorr cube, all the seasonings that you want to use for yours. Everybody has their different method, and whatever you have, just go ahead and use that. So I don't know if I said that, but just in case I did not, this is the goat meat stew. I will be making the Nigerian goat meat stew. That is what we are making. I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but let me just say it again, just in case. So you can see how I am leaving it to cook. You cook that. I'll also, don't worry, I'll also put everything in the description box down below, everything that I use, all the details that you would need to know. If there is more details, if you want any more thing, please do go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll definitely get back to you. So I am going to go ahead and add my goat meat stock into the stew, and then also let that boil and let that cook as well. So after, as that is cooking, I went ahead to fry my goat meat. Some people just like adding theirs directly into the stew like that, but I just prefer frying mine. So whatever works for you, please do go ahead and do that. But this is how I do mine. Okay, so I just go ahead and fry the goat meat. So this is my stew still cooking, and then I went ahead to pour in my fried goat meat into the stew, just to let it soak up in that stew and just be so juicy and yummy. Look at the color of that stew, you guys. Look at how yummy this looks. So now it's time for the rice. I do go ahead and wash my jasmine rice, and then I'm going to be cooking it with this instant pot. Instant pot, I just had to get this instant pot because it does a whole lot of things for me. Example, this jasmine rice, I just couldn't get to cook this rice by myself so well, so this helped a lot. So I'm just going to wash the rice and then pour it in my instant pot, and depending on how many cups of rice you are cooking, that will determine the water that you put in, but definitely I added about 1 cup of water in this. And then I added a little bit of salt in there, and I'm going to just go ahead and plug that in, of course, and then it starts cooking. This instant pot reduced my cooking time by, like, let me say, if the food takes some hours or whatever to cook, it just reduced it by, I don't know, I can't even tell, but it just reduced it more than half. You know, it's so helpful. So after that, as this is cooking, I went ahead to fry my plantains for the rice. If you are African, if you're Nigerian, you already know how it goes down, okay? So I'm about to fry my plantains to go with it. So we are making a full course meal right here, okay? So do go ahead and make sure to finish this video because you will definitely be glad you did. And hey, if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please support my channel by clicking that subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell so you know whenever I post any new video. And please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. It's very important to me because it helps my channel and it costs nothing for you to do. So please do go ahead and share this video out to your friends and family, and also leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't done that already. And if you have, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. So you fry the plantain till it's golden brown. I mean, different people, for everybody just likes what they like. Some people don't even like it being too brown. Some people just like it being brown, extremely brown. Everybody just has their preference. So I just fry it to my own preference and I'm good. So I am going ahead to turn them so the other side of the plantains can as well cook. So you guys, this is the rice and the plantain, and our food is ready to go down with our stew. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and leave a comment to tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to tell me if you prefer me talking in my cooking videos, or if you don't prefer me talking. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Bye.